Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I am sorry I didn't post any Clash Royale yesterday or the day before. I've been a little bit busy, but today we're just going to be doing some regular trophy pushing, hoping to get to the next arena. So let's just jump right into it. I am still using the same main deck with Evo Furnace and Evo Skelly Barrel. Good luck. PDZ. He is leaking elixir though. Oh, that's great. Hopefully it should kill that. Put a boss hit and just keep going. I use mine, so let's just go opposite lane. That boss bandit is going to survive. I do get a connection on both ends. The furnace is getting free damage on the right as well. Stay toxic. I need that emote. Alright, let's Eagle Barrel right side. And see if he plays. What's the spell? I don't remember what spell he had. He does use Valk. I do get a little bit of chip damage on it for free. He's probably going to Mega Knight behind it after I take it out. Or he'll just place spines and allow me to build a bigger push. And okay, I thought I missed the arrows for a second. He is like out of elixir. Let's just play a furnace behind this. Didn't really need it, but he wasted elixir with that. Tesla. Let's just get this left lane. I feel like I'll be able to defend with my Tesla egos. Unless he just gave up. I've just been getting so many people that give up, and it's genuinely just so boring. Because in my last video, I think I had 3 people that gave up in a round. I recorded another one, but I don't know what happened to the video. And the next person that played gave up. It just doesn't make very good content, guys. I do get Witch or Night Witch though. I think I might go with the Night Witch. Yeah, I do have them both unlocked already. I didn't know that. I thought I was missing the Night Witch still. Twitch, maybe? Yeah. I mistimed that so bad. Let's get a boss bandit on this. Arrows that. Free dash on the tower. He does take out the wall breakers too. Maybe no, not the magic archer. Okay. Well, I think I'll just E-Wiz the magic archer once it crosses. Yeah, exactly. E-Wiz does survive. It will get a hit on the tower. Ooh, on tower. Okay. I don't think this will pull. No, it'll pull. I should have played it on this side. No, it doesn't. Okay, good. And it actually pays off to be wrong. Alright, I think he's gonna wall breakers soon, so I'm gonna get my Tesla ready. Yeah, I could have played that better, but it is what it is. Let's get a boss bandit on the back left. Let him know I'm at 10 elixir. I do have Evo Furnace and Evo Barrel ready.
You want to win the crown? crown for me? Really?
Oh no, Evo Barrel next time. That is pretty good minor on his part. I'll give him that much. Austin does get a dash on the tower though. Spawns another Fire Spirit, which does not jump, unfortunately. Dang. Let's just log E-Wiz. Get a minor on that just to take it out as fast as possible. Get another boss bandit in front of the furnace and go barrel right after it. Just apply as much pressure as possible. And another one. It gives up. I like the free trophies, but it's just I need content, man. I need someone to actually play the game. Hopefully we can get a good drop from this. 2 stars. Alright. We get another one from the crowns. And it's another 2-star. Oh, Barbarian Hut. Let's go. I do get Teslas out of that, which is good. I need Tesla. Alright, let's get one more game in. Hopefully this will be a bit of a longer game, so I can get... I want to make it like a 10-minute video on Clash Royale, usually. So I'll play 3 games, it's usually 10 minutes. Sometimes it's a little quicker, sometimes it's a little longer. Damn. Okay, it does take out the archers. Don't get any skelly hits on the tower, though. Dark Goblin and archers. Doctor, he's probably playing like a log bait. That is going to get splash damage on the tower. Oh, he also has Ewiz. I never see anybody actually play Ewiz. I don't know why. Ewiz is a good card. Did I kill it? They really did not need to nerf the log. There was no reason. Play your archer so I can arrows it. Nice prediction arrows. Do get tons of damage on the right side because he's just ignored that. I don't think I needed arrows. That was a bit of a waste. Let's dash this back so it can hopefully take out the Valkyrie, at least get close to it. Okay, I can just ignore that Valkyrie then. I do think I'm going to go Evo Barrel right side at 10. Alright. Okay, let's go put in some work. Okay, he has log. Did he log it before? I don't remember.
Just like that.
Boss Bandit is going to have some power on us. No hits? Awesome. No hits on that. On the furnace, that is. Alright, I'm gonna stack up a push here. Let's end this game off on a high note. Good game. People actually play it. Another furnace down. All of those archers. Damn, that took it out. He is on tower. He's playing very well. I don't know if I would have been able to defend that easily. Predict archers. Oh. Good game. 3 people in a row that gave up. This is why I need to be higher trophies. I don't like when it's just easy. I want a difficult game. I do get the new arena though. Silent Sanctuary. I'm able to unlock more champions now. Alright, that's going to do it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. And make sure to comment if you think I should change my deck, what you want to see me do in this game. I will always do my best to do what I can. So, thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.